Hi guys, welcome back to my channel. I'm Sana Khan and I make videos related to beauty products, skincare products, DIYs, hauls, unboxing any products, reviewing any products, especially the new ones, and lookbooks, so on and so forth. So today's video is going to be a haul video. You know that Nykaa was running a Pink Friday sale. So yep, I got my hands on few of the very amazing products and the deal was unbelievable. So here's all the product I got on the Pink Friday deal, Pink Friday sale basically. These are all the products that I got. Let's get started with today's video. But before we begin, please, if you like the video, subscribe to the channel, hit the like button, and don't forget to share it with your family and friends. And click on the bell icon so that you get updated of my new uploads. Grab a snack or a cup of coffee and enjoy the video. The first product that I ordered was a very essential product, especially in this COVID times. We need it. In everyday life also we need it, not just because of COVID, but because of hygiene purpose. We need this product, and it is this Pee Safe. It's an essential. I would recommend all the girls to buy this and keep in their handbags. I always, since the COVID time has started, previously I was not very much into this much of hygiene, but now I'm a little extra into hygiene. A little extra. I was, but not a lot. But now I have become very much into hygiene, and I ordered this thing. This is the second time I'm ordering. Why? Because we step out of the house and we have to sometimes use public toilets, or for our kids we have to use the toilets. So these things, they come very handy. And this is the mini size that I always order because it fits in the bag really well and it's easy to carry. The original MRP of this is 540, but on Nykaa I got it for 432. Here it's written 499, but I got it for 432 on Nykaa. And it carries 3 sprays, toilet seat sprays, 3 sprays, and each bottle has 75 ml. Yep, it's very important, a must. The other thing, M Caffeine Naked Detox Green Tea Face Wash. Okay, I ordered this. I have not yet opened this. It's completely packed. It's packed. I've not opened it yet. So I placed the order of this, and the other product that I'll show on 28th of November. And yeah, the original MRP of this is 325, but on sale I got it for 285. Yeah, on sale I got it for 285. And why I said the sale was amazing, because I got a serum free with this. This serum alone, it costs for 625 rupee, and I got it free. Matlab, this was of 285. With this I got a serum free of 625. So this is also packed. I've not opened any of them yet. I'll definitely give a review of these two on my channel. So whoever wants a review of this product on my channel, please comment down below and let me know. This was a steal deal, guys. Steal deals. Whatever I'm showing is a steal deal. Okay. Faces Canada. I love, and I know most of the girls, they love Faces Canada lipsticks, especially their lip crayons. And the Jewel Cut lipstick is loved by most of the girls. Me too. So Faces Canada was running buy one get one lipstick, or buy one get one on their I think it was on all products, but I noticed on lipstick only, maybe because I wanted this. Yeah, lip crayon. I ordered the shade Cashmere. Is it Cashmere 07 and Spiced Latte 09. So love them, yaar, love them. These three things I ordered in one go. Okay, so you know, when I placed the order, the next morning, because in my head it was running Faces Canada, you know, buy one get one, buy one get one. So again I ordered a lipstick, buy one get one, voila. So this also I did. So this I did on 28th, and on 29th morning I did this, November. So again I ordered the shade French Rose and Regal Flare. I already have you know, one of their this ranges in the color Mi Amor, but these two again I ordered, French Rose and Regal Flare. So buy one get one. The original MRP of one lipstick is 899, and I got the other free. So 899 में I got two lipsticks, and यहाँ पे 545 में I got two lipsticks. Steal deal, guys. Steal deal. This sale was actually a sale on certain products, like these products. Like इसके साथ it was on sale, उसके साथ this was absolutely free. So buy one get one. Okay, I'll show you the swatches of these and you would love them. That's Cashmere 07, and each of the lip crayons, they come with their sharpeners also, which is very handy. Okay, here goes the swatch of Cashmere. These crayons are so creamy. I love this shade. Highly recommended color. And the second one that I ordered was Spiced Latte. You see? These are so amazingly pigmented and very creamy. Very creamy. That's Cashmere, that's Spiced Latte. I love nude colors. Okay, so the other Faces Canada ones that I ordered were these, two of these. So they come in this kind of box, very luxurious box, this kind of velvet cover. The shade name is Regal Flare. That's the shade. It's an orange color, orange, you know, coralish orange. I love coral orange nudes, pinks, my faves. These are. So that's how it is. And it has a magnetic closure. It has a magnetic closure. And it doesn't drop down. Like the Burberry lipsticks. So that's the shade. On camera it's looking very bright, but it's not very bright, you know. It has that coral tinge. Orange ke saath it is having that coral kind of tinge. Very beautiful. They smell so good. I'll show you the swatch of this one. These are very creamy, buttery kind. These are very creamy, the crayons, and these ones are very velvety matte. You can see it's velvety matte. Yeah, now you can see the exact color. Wait, I'll switch off this light and I'll show you the exact color of these. So this one shade, and the other shade is French Rose. This one again, pink mauve. So yep, Oh my god. By the way, I'm not wearing this on my lips. So guys, this just fell from my hand, slipped from my hand, and it, you see the condition of this. That's okay, koi baat nahi. Okay, the color of this is the swatch of this. I'll show you. That's the swatch. That's how they look without that yellow light you see. When I switch that off, it looks like this. Yeah, that's the exact color. So these are the 4 lovely shades, and I recommend all the 4 shades. Guys, ever if you find this kind of amazing deal, buy one get one, grab your hands on them. You will love them, and their formula is amazing. They are cruelty free, and I love them. So yeah guys, that was it. If you liked watching my video, please hit the like button and subscribe to my channel.